Are you looking for the best drones under $500? In this video, we will look at some of the best drones under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 GPS Drone. Under $249, FAA registration, and remote ID are not required if you fly for recreational purposes. Visit the FAA's official website for requirements related to drone registration and remote ID. Film in 4K HDR video for crystal clear aerial shots. With dual native ISO fusion, Mini 3 enables the capture of details and highlights and shadows, both day and night. With true vertical shooting, you can easily capture tall landmarks like skyscrapers and waterfalls. And after capturing, it's in the perfect orientation to post to Instagram or TikTok. Its flight time can be extended up to 51 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, sold separately. But the aircraft will weigh more than 249 g. Fly More Combo offers up to 114 minutes of total flight time. With its level 5 wind-resistant and 3-axis mechanical gimbal, Mini 3 can capture consistently smooth 4K imagery. Brushless motors enhance power and allow takeoff at altitudes up to 4,000 meters, up to 10 kilometers, 32,800 feet. 5 of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you the ability to freely explore vast landscapes and see clearer. Number 2. DJI Neo GPS Drone. At just $135, this drone with camera for adults 4K may be even lighter than your phone and does not require FAA registration and remote ID. Throw Neo in your backpack or even your pocket. Just grab and go. Neo takes off from your hand with just a push of a button. The safe and easy operation of this drone for adults makes it perfect for taking to family BBQs and hiking with friends. Effortlessly capture stunning vlogs as DJI Neo smartly follows you. Getting professional footage has never been easier with 8 creative quickshots modes on this drone with camera. Fly Neo controller-free or with voice control, Yen/Cn, mobile app or RC. Capture an epic birthday or film a family picnic. These versatile options make it easy for everyone to try this drone for adults. Whether you're hiking, kayaking, or just strolling in a windy park, this drone with camera for adults 4K uses DJI stabilization technology, Level 4 wind resistance, and 4K UHD combined to ensure smooth, high-quality footage. Number 3. Glorale X38 GPS Drone. Equipped with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees electronically adjustable lens angle. A perfect companion for adventures and scenic explorations. The altitude hold feature acts like a personal Steadicam in the sky, allowing for smooth, cinematic shots even in gusty conditions. Flying through waypoints becomes a breeze. Draw the path and watch it soar gracefully. This drone redefines aerial photography, boasting a 4K camera that captures stunning footage with incredible detail. The 3-axis gimbal stabilizes the camera beautifully, producing sharp, stable photos and videos. The 1,640-foot video transmission range is excellent. Whether you're capturing a sunset or a bustling cityscape, the stability it provides ensures professional-grade footage every time. GPS drones are equipped with advanced flight control systems and GPS technology to ensure stable and secure flights. Return-to-home functionality provides added peace of mind, bringing the drone back to its takeoff point or landing safely in case of signal loss or low battery. The GPS follow and circle fly modes are fantastic additions, making it perfect for capturing panoramic shots and tracking movement. Number 4. SJRC KF104 Max 2 Drone. This KF104 Max 2 drone is equipped with a 5.5-inch remote control screen. HD big screen to say goodbye to the bulky, No need to connect to a mobile phone. Creation is more convenient. Adopting HD digital transmission, about 6 kilometers remote control distance. KF104 Max 2 drone is equipped with an upgraded 4K HD camera lens, which clearly reproduces beautiful pictures and records the good landscape around you all the time. The drone is equipped with wide-angle shooting / lens adjustment / 3-axis gimbal self-stabilization function. No matter day or night, the field of view is stabilized and the images are high definition. KF104 Max 2 drone realizes omnidirectional obstacle avoidance and intelligent risk avoidance. Equipped with intelligent obstacle avoidance sensors, the drone intelligently detects dangerous obstacles in front of it, allowing you to be more comfortable on various terrain. Outstanding performance drone. The KF104 Max 2 drone is equipped with a gift-sending device at the bottom of the drone. A key for sending gifts. The gift becomes more ceremonial. The drone is driven by a brushless motor, quiet and smooth, high efficiency, low loss, 3,900 mAh large capacity battery, about 40 minutes flight time. Number 5. Ledovan SJRC F22S2 Plus XR Drone. The SJRC F22S2 Plus XR drone is equipped with a 5.5-inch HD remote control screen, eliminating the need to pair with a smartphone for more convenient operation. The advanced GPS-enabled drone automatically locks onto its target and returns to the takeoff point in case of signal loss, low battery, or manual activation. This allows for safe, precise control with no delay. The dual-axis gimbal and EIS stabilization technology provide a dual stability system, mechanical plus digital, effectively eliminating camera shake during flight, delivering cinematic panoramic views, dynamic action scenes, and clear aerial footage. The upgraded repeater extends the signal range and enhances signal stability. The USB digital video transmission system is user-friendly, stable, and resistant to interference. Real-time transmission with a remote sensing distance of 6,000 meters. Enjoy cinema-quality visuals even at long distances, ideal for beginners, sports, hiking, or vlogging. The drone is equipped with brushless motors for enhanced performance, capable of withstanding 5-level winds, enabling bold and free flight over mountains and oceans. 11.1V 3,500 mAh high-capacity smart battery, providing up to 40 minutes of flight time. Experience longer battery life and smoother flight performance.